Today we are going to do a waterproof video of Vivo S1. Vivo S1 is a full-screen mobile phone released by Vivo in March 2019. In the first step of sliding the app, we can clearly see the ghost shadow when dragging, which is different from the other mobile phones. This time, what disappoints me most is the ghost shadow caused by delay. In terms of taking pictures, the rear camera is a module of dual-core 12-megapixel super wide-angle triple cameras. I think it can fully meet the daily photo needs. Let's take a look at its waterproof performance. After the first step of the waterproof test, neither the touchscreen nor the camera was affected. Before the shower test, we all thought that it could not survive for a long time, but it's obvious that the waterproofness of the Vivo S1 is beyond our expectation. Sliding and taking photos still have no effect. When the phone is completely placed in the bottom of the water, you can see the bubbles keep coming out. Let's look at the water damage inside the phone.